Alright, hello. This is group 5 for SES1B. This is the eDine application system, and this is for the restaurant case scenario. So we're going to start off with the main menu, which is a very simple design, but gets the job done. So at the top, we have the navigation bar, which has all of the different places you can go, and also the administration and login system. Next off is just the entry screen. And then next up is the menu. So we have the lunch and dinner menu, and you can open it pretty easily just over here. I'll open up a PDF of the lunch and dinner menu. Next up is the map of where the restaurant is. So it's an interactable map, and down the bottom is just the footer, which has the about us, the contact us, and the hours that the restaurant is open for. Yep. So this system is actually quite intuitive. So the book a table section, it'll need you to sign in to book a table. This also goes for the view reservation system, and loyalties won't let you generate any code until you sign in. So yeah. So now we're going to try to sign in to the system, and before that, we're actually going to register and pretend that we don't have an account. So pretend that you're I'm a new person trying to register for the account. So over here, I'll just show you the work. So this is the database right now. As you can see, there's only 8 data sets, and once I register, it's going to pop up right there. So I'm going to call myself Mary Smith with marysmith@gmail.com. Yep. So I'm going to submit, and it's going to take me back to the front screen. And then if I refresh the user panel in the database, it's going to come up with Mary Smith with marysmith@gmail.com. So now I'm going to sign into Mary's account. So marysmith@gmail.com. Password. Yep, and now I'm signed into marysmith.com. Don't worry about that prompt. It's because we're currently using a developer's build of the system. So now you can see at the top right, I'm signed into Mary Smith, and nothing's changed in the main menu. However, if you go to the book a table, you can see that I'm now able to book a table. So you can see if I try to click here, it's not going to let me change the Mary Smith and last name. I can choose how many people I want to book for a table. We're going to say 2 people. I'm going to choose a date, which is, let's see, 20th of October 2020. And then we'll choose a time, probably 9 o'clock. Yep, and nothing for the special request. So if I wanted to book a table, I would just press this button and it will send it to the database. However, for this demonstration, I am going to pretend to pre-order a food. So just click on pre-order food. As you can see here, this is the pre-order food section, and depending on the time of day, which we haven't programmed yet since it's late night, we're going to go to the pre-order dinner menu. So you would just choose the food, you would put it into a cart, and you can order it from there. So we're not actually going to book it for now, but yeah, that's the system. Now we're going to move on to my reservations, pretend that we've booked it. You can see here that my host name is Mary Smith. The restaurant location is here, and the party size would go here, the date here, and time here. So every time you book a table, it's going to come up with a new one. So yeah. If you want to modify your reservation, you can click this button here, and it'll lock the name and last name just for security reasons, and you can change how many people will change here. And this is only a dev build, so it's not complete yet. So yeah, this book a table will redirect you to book a table, just if you don't have anything booked. For the loyalties system, we've simply just put it into a code or generate a code. So this is my first time logging into Mary Smith. Unfortunately, it's not my birthday, so I can't generate myself a birthday code. But since it is my first time, I am allowed to generate a new code for dining. And you can see here, you can see the code and copy to clipboard. and it copies it. And I can also have the drinks code just right there, and then copy it, paste it there. And yeah. So that's the eDine system. Nothing really much else to say. We built this on Angular for the front end. For the back end, we used C#, and for the database, we use MySQL Workbench or MySQL. So yeah, hope this demonstrates the capability of our website. Thanks for watching. Yeah, see ya.